Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog is I'm gonna be doing catching fish vlog. And we have a say English sa tilapia, te.
Flirt.
For today, at the back of me is a fish pond and we're gonna catch a fish.
Yes, we are gonna catch a fish.
Look at your mouth. And the fish is tilapia in Filipino words, but I don't know in English. What's the English of tilapia? You have this fish pond. You have the fish pond, but you don't know what's in English.
Freshwater fish.
Freshwater fish. So this is the fish pond over here. There's so many fish ponds. The fishes here is like a piranha. They're very aggressive. So I hope everything is gonna turn out good. I've done fishing. This is gonna be the twice I'm gonna try fishing. So good luck to me, and let's see how many fish we can get for today's vlog. Okay, now we're gonna feed the fish. Bakag ma.
Here, it's right here. Wait, this tree here is for bato, and this one is it.
Naghulat ang mga kuan. Pato?
No.
Oh! Okay. We're gonna feed the fish. Okay, tarong nga ha. Ito ang good. Tarong nga dito. Ito dito. Okay. Ang dali. No? Oh, kanawa mga fish daghan. Sige pa. More. Yes.
Thank you, fish.
Sige pa. Dito, dito. Oh. Sabi, pagkalayuan kayo ng fish dito. Ayan na ito. Wow. Wow. Malapad. Ay, daghan na ito. Again. Ako naglabo. Okay. Thank you, fish. Sinilaw. Wow. And then, excuse me, Lucas. Excuse me. Sit over here. Open this. Oh, okay. This is the cake from my mom's birthday yesterday. Look at that. Wow. Oh, you want some? Okay.
Ma.
This.
Dool. Dool si Mia, ma.
Wow. We have some fruits, watermelon, apple, and oh. We're preparing the fishnet.
Yan tao na.
Okay. Wala. Ano isa?
Yan tao. Ang bago pa.
Oh, lagi ko, lagi ako.
Yan saan pag-up?
Yan na.
Anak na anak.
Buti pa.
Okay. So this is how you throw the fishnet.
Yeah. Udongan og buhit na. Sabi sila bay.
Excuse me, manok. And let's see how many fish I can get. Saan pa na?
Oo, kana. Gi.
Balo ba sila?
Dagdag nga ba? Oo na.
Wow! Wow, this is a lot. Pro na dito. I'm a pro fisherman now. Look at that, guys.
A lot of piranha.
Wow.
They're so aggressive that they're piranhas.
The piranhas.
Oh, no. The piranha is aggressive piranha. Oh my gosh.
Yay! One more. Baboy! Sakay na ko sa baboy. Yay! Okay. Hello.
Oo.
Si Imi.
Mahuwad mo.
to this boat using this. Ano sa English aning boat na ito? Ala ka! Oh my God! Pwede mag-chanilas? Basi ma! May ko! Eh, ganit eh. Ala ka! May bangko. Wala may bangko. Dito to nga.
Wala pa ko.
Ako, bakit ka eh?
Yara ka. Kaya lang magdidipot. Oo, wala.
Pwede ba si Mato? Dili ko sali.
Wala watuan. Wala, bisa daw doon nagkuhan. Padol. Kayat ba o kayat?
Okay. Ako sa tunga, no?
Awa kayo.
Perfect. Parehab kami. Hindi ko kabalo. Hindi mo mag-away. Hindi mag-away. Kadoal me. Dari ako nga sa kana. Ano ka? Wala magluto.
Dito eh. Ito, tuwan na. Kapuyang ka na. Ito ka na mo. Abuan ka mag-edit. Edit. Edit sabi na kalisip.
Sabi, labog na niya.
Ako ano lang kasi, 1,000.
Ano lang?
Edit ko. Ano yung ano, edit. Yun na ba na? Look, nabuli ka na. Dawag ka na sila.
My hands is all dirty. And my lips from the cake. The icing is very, very, very sweet. Let's eat, guys. This one, we call it nangka. Ginataang nangka, which is this one. Ano sa English na nangka, Michael?
Jackpot.
Mili, uy?
Jackpot.
Hmm? Nangka is jackfruit in English. So we put some milk over there. Coconut milk, no?
With coconut milk.
With coconut milk. Jackfruit with coconut milk. It's really perfect for partner up with the rice. And the tilapia, it's really good. So that's all for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my catching fish vlog for today. This water here in this fish pond is a very Hoy! Lucas! Oh my god. Out of nowhere, he just slapped me. So, the water over here, guys, is a very natural water. It came from a river at the side of this. So, after all of these, saan nga puno diri may ko? Kana, pine? Nipa tree? Nipa tree. After that, there's a small river. So, we get the water from the river going to this fishing pond. So, it's really natural. It's very good for the fish. It's better for the fish. And also, if ever you live here in Butuan City, Philippines, don't forget to message my uncle and his wife because they produce a fish. There's so many fish. It's a really big pond over here. So if you want to order tilapia fish, don't forget to message them, Michael Almosa and Ming Rebustilio on Facebook. I will be putting it in the description below if you need some fish. So thank you guys, and I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are right now. And by the way, I'll be taking another vlog, so don't forget. And it's gonna be a shower in this natural water over there. So if you wanna see that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so my videos will always be the first in your homepage. And bye.